Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll be working on the Volkswagen Rabbit MK5 here, guys. So Jetta will be about the same thing. We'll show you guys on the 2.5 cylinder engine how to remove and replace the air conditioner belt. Okay, we're talking about the one down there. Stay with us. We'll show you that's the outside belt, not the inside. The outside is only for the AC compressor, but it's actually the one that turns the AC pulley and actually turns the alternator, water pump and everything else. So stay with us, it's very important belt. We'll show you how to do that. All you're going to need is a 15mm socket and a ratchet. So it'll be really convenient, guys, if you use a jack stand. Always use a jack stand if you jack the car up. Never rely on the jack itself. And now let me show you. We're going to access it from the bottom. Okay, this pulley right there. Let me just get a little bit more light. Okay, sorry for the shakiness. Okay, let me just get it. Okay, this pulley right there, you can see where the socket is. So on this one we're going to go clockwise now. It will release the pressure of the belt and we will take it off the AC compressor. Okay, like that. It's not easy to show you guys, it's very limited room. Okay, so it goes only on two pulleys. It goes from the AC compressor to the crankshaft and then the tensioner pulley. This is the belt, okay, right here. You can see definitely need a replacement soon. So stay with us, guys, and we'll show you how to install it now. Okay, now we're going to do the outer belt, which is for the AC. You can see it goes to the crankshaft, AC compressor and underneath the tensioner pulley. So let's go ahead and install this one now. Okay, so we're going to install the last one on the AC compressor. Okay, you start it from the crankshaft pulley, you get it under the tensioner. It's very limited room, so it's kind of like fishing in the dark, guys. Trying to get the socket on the tensioner there. Okay, once we do that, we'll get back with you guys. Okay, so now we're just going to install it. Okay, right there on the AC. Make sure that all the grooves line up really good on both belts. Okay, we're gonna let go. Everything looks good. So that's how you guys remove and replace the AC belt. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.